Good morning, everyone, each and everyone here present. I am Aditya Kishore from Mechatronics second year, going to present my shop talk, HART Communication. Today's content: introduction, working, block diagram, some benefits, some drawbacks, application, and conclusion. Introduction: HART Communication Protocol is an advanced level technology using communication sectors. This technology is used to transfer the analog and digital data through a single cable. We don't have to use more than one cable to transmit both kind of data. Uh, in this data, four in this data, four uh, 4 milliamp to 20 milliamp, 4 milliamp to 20 milliamp, we can transfer the data in this kind. It manufacturer independence, not for a profit organization. Encourage widespread use of hard technology. Over 5 million hard over 5 million hard field instruments installed all over 1 lakh plants worldwide. Working. It contains one main master device, and it is connected with a auxiliary master device which is used for calibration, and then it is served to the field devices. Theory of operation. This technology works on the principle of communication modes, frequency shift keying, HART network, and HART commands. Some advantages: improve plant operation, operational flexibility, instrumentation, investment, and production, digital communication. Some drawbacks are there. Digital signal is slow. Maximum 6 devices can be connected at one time. Conclusion: digital communication capability of HART ensures that the device information can be linked remotely via HART IP to other digital networks, and through allowing it to become a part of industrial and Internet of Things. Thank you for listening. Any doubts?